Hi, I'm Leo here from Maxtop LED. Today I will introduce you a 440 cabinet M series, which is special for outdoor fixed installation and advertisement. It has some advantages. First is module. Size is 32 by 32 centimeters. Has better flatness. Base is plastic material. Waterproof level normally is IP65, and you also can do IP67. Power and signal 2-in-1 cable, and hand screw maintenance. You can exchange the module easily. Put right position. Lock. Take out. You can do it in 1 minute. Second is about the cabinet and installation way. This cabinet material is aluminum alloy material, has lighter weight, such as this 96 by 96 centimeters cabinet. Its weight is about 27 kilograms, and the thickness is about 11 centimeters. Installation way, this cabinet has 2 ways. First is with this cabinet, and you need to make a steel frame. Second is without the cabinet, and we will offer you with the switch. Third part is about the floor maintenance power box and the power consumption. We can change the power supplies and receiving card from both sides. First, take out the modules. Open the power box. Then you can change the power supplies and the receiving card. Close it. About the power consumption, normally outdoor screens is about 300 watts per square meters, but this M series is only about 200 watts per square meters.